107. A vote of no confidence against a finance minister would result in. Answer is D. Resignation of the entire cabinet. Question number 108. Which political thinker is of the view that sovereignty is not a power but it is the general will of the people which can never be delegated? Answer is D. J. Rousseau. Question number 109. Which are the of the following political scholar prefers to call the Indian federal system as cooperative federalism? Answer is C. Granville Austin. Question number 110. Which one of the following is not an urban local body? Answer is B. Jila Parishad. Question number 111. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi became an undisputed leader of the Indian National Congress after the death of. Answer is D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 112. Theory of development of underdevelopment has been propounded by who among the following scholars? Answer is A. Andre Gunder Frank. Question number 113. Which of the following can be regarded as a landmark in the history of ensuring parliamentary control over public expenditure? Answer is C. Plowden Committee Report 1861. Question number 114. In which of the following countries the members of the upper house of the federal legislature are nominated for lifetime? Answer is D. Canada. Question number 115. Who of the following fought as the Chief Defence Counsel in the famous INA trial of 1945? Answer is B. Bhula Bhai Desai. Question number 116. The appointment, posting and promotion of a district judge is always made by. Answer is B. Governor of that state. Question number 117. India declared herself a republic. Therefore, instead of a monarch, an elected president is at the head of the parliamentary system. In introducing this amalgam, the makers of our constitution followed the. Answer is B. Irish precedent. Question number 118. Which of the following have not contributed to the theory of circulation of elites? Answer is D. None of the above. Question number 119. Which of the following amendments to the Indian Constitution empowers the President of India to send back any matter for reconsideration of the Council of Ministers? Answer is C. 44th. Question number 120. The famous Parkinson's law is related with which of the following? Answer is D. Expansion of bureaucracy. Question number 121. Who of the following cannot be regarded as a supporter of the social welfare theory of rights advocated by J.S. Mill? Answer is B. Kant. Question number 122. Which of the following can be last regarded as the fourth pillar of our democratic constitution? Answer is D. Comptroller and Auditor General. Question number 123. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution enables the High Court to issue writs? Answer is B. Article 226. Question number 124. Fascism grows and develops in the womb of social democracy. This famous criticism to fascism comes from. Answer is D. Shivdas Ghosh. Question number 125. Who among the following describes the pressure groups as the third house of the legislature? Answer is B. Feiner. Question number 126. Who of the following has criticized bureaucracy as an organization that cannot correct its behavior by learning from its error? Answer is D. M. Crozier. Question number 127. Who of the following hold the view that law always restrains liberty? Answer is C. Individualists and anarchists. Question number 128. Which of the following thinkers interpreted justice as allotment of functions to persons in accordance with the ability and training? Answer is D. Plato. Question number 129. Next to Uttar Pradesh, the largest number of constituencies for elections to the Lok Sabha are in the state of. Answer is B. Bihar. Question number 130. Under which article of the Constitution can Parliament amend the Constitution? Answer is B. Article 368. Question number 131. What is the maximum number of members of the Council of States Rajya Sabha? Answer is C. 250. Question number 132. The elections to the Lok Sabha are required normally to be held after every. Answer is C. 55 years. Question number 133. An individual who is not a member of either House of Parliament can be appointed as a member of the Council of Ministers, but he has to become a member of either house within a period of. Answer is B. 6 months. Question number 134. For holding the office of the President of India, a person can be elected for. Answer is D. Any number of terms. Question number 135. The President of India is elected by an electoral college consisting of. Answer is C. Both A and B above. Question number 136. A person seeking election to the office of the President of India must have completed the age of. Answer is C. 35 years. Question number 137. Sikkim, which was the protectorate of the Union of India, initially became an Indian state in. Answer is B. 1975. Question number 138. Sindhi was included in the list of official languages in the 8th schedule of our constitution in. Answer is D. 1967. Question number 139. Which of the following rights of citizens of India is justiciable and can be enforced through a court of law? Answer is A. Equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Question number 140. Which of the following statements is not correct? Answer is C. A person seeking election to a state legislative assembly must have completed the age of 21 years. Question number 141. Under the directive principles of state policy, the state shall endeavour to provide for free and compulsory education for all children until they complete the age of. Answer is C. 14 years. Question number 142. Article 19 of our Constitution forms the core of the chapter on fundamental rights. The number of categories of freedoms that an Indian citizen shall have is. Answer is B. 6. Question number 143. The fundamental duties were added to our Constitution for the first time in. Answer is C. 1976. Question number 144. An ordinance promulgated by the President of India remains valid unless approved by the Parliament after the Assembly of Parliament for a maximum period of. Answer is C. 6 weeks. Question number 145. The Constitution of India as adopted by the Constituent Assembly in 1949 contained. Answer is C. 395 articles and 8 schedules. Question number 146. How many persons are required to be nominated by the President to the Rajya Sabha? Answer is C. 12. Question number 147. The Constitution empowers the President to nominate up to 2 members to the Lok Sabha from among the. Answer is A. Anglo-Indians. Question number 148. The Constitution of India vests the supreme command of the defense forces in the. Answer is D. President. Question number 149. The right to property ceased to be a fundamental right from. Answer is D. 1979. Question number 150. Which of the following fundamental rights is also available to a foreigner on the soil of India? Answer is D. Protection of life and personal liberty against action without authority of law. Question number 151. The Constitution of India can be best described as. Answer is C. Partly federal and partly unitary. Question number 152. Disagreement between the two houses of Indian Parliament is finally resolved through. Answer is C. A joint session of the two houses. Question number 153. The maximum permissible interval between two sessions of Parliament as prescribed in our Constitution is. Answer is B. 6 months. Question number 154. A money bill must be written by the Rajya Sabha with its recommendations to the Lok Sabha within a period not exceeding. Answer is C. 14 days. Question number 155. Who appoints a judge of a high court in India? Answer is D. President of India. Question number 156. The state of Kerala was created in place of the Part B state of Travancore Cochin of the original constitution in. Answer is B. 1956. Question number 157. The state of Bombay, a Part A state of the original constitution, was split into two states, Gujarat and Maharashtra, in. Answer is C. 1916. Question number 158. The Union Council of Ministers is, according to our constitution, responsible to the. Answer is B. House of the People. Question number 159. When there is a vacancy in the office of the President and the Vice President at the same time, the office is held temporarily by. Answer is D. The Chief Justice of India. Question number 160. As per the 61st Constitutional Amendment Act, a citizen is eligible to vote in general elections only if he has completed the age of. Answer is A. 18 years. Question number 161. The age of retirement for judges of the Supreme Court and a High Court is. Answer is A. 65 years and 62 years respectively. Question number 162. A candidate seeking election to a state legislative assembly must have completed the age of. Answer is B. 25 years. Question number 163. Which state in India has the largest membership in its legislative assembly? Answer is C. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 164. Which of the following articles empowers the High Court to issue writs for enforcement of fundamental rights? Answer is A. Article 226. Question number 165. The Constitution of India does not mention the post of. Answer is D. The Deputy Prime Minister. Question number 166. The system of budget was introduced in India during the Viceroyalty of. Answer is C. Canning. Question number 167. The name of candidate for the office of President of India may be proposed by. Answer is D. any 10 members of the Electoral College. Question number 168. Which tax is levied and collected by the Union but wholly assigned to the states? Answer is A. Taxes on railway fares and freights. Question number 169. Economic justice has been incorporated in the Constitution of India under. Answer is D. Directive Principles of State Policy. Question number 170. The formation of an interim government set up on September 2, 1946 was first envisaged by. Answer is C. Cabinet Mission Plan. Question number 171. From the Constitution of Canada, we have borrowed the scheme of our. Answer is B. Federation. Question number 172. Which of the following features make our Constitution unitary? Answer is D. Union government's power to issue direction to the state governments. Question number 173. In Indian Constitution, cultural and educational rights have been dealt with under articles. Answer is B. 29 and 30. Question number 174. Which of the following emergencies has been declared the maximum number of times in India? Answer is D. Emergency under Article 356 due to breakdown of constitutional machinery in a state. Question number 175. What is contained in the 11th schedule of the Constitution? Answer is C. Items on which panchayats shall have powers and authority to function as institutions of self-government. Question number 176. For raising a half an hour discussion in a House of Parliament, the notice in writing has to be given to the. Answer is B. Secretary General of the House. Thanks for watching.